What's everybody up? What's up, everybody? We're gonna be working on the SS Camaro again. I know it's been a while. We've been working on a bunch of other stuff, bunch of home life, you know, that kind of crap. So the Camaro is definitely neglected. You know, this Camaro has been here for months, and I haven't driven it on the street yet. I did a burnout in the driveway, and that was it. And I think it's time to maybe get this car done. What do you think? I think it's probably the slowest project on YouTube, right?
spray coat too. It's been about 10 minutes, so we'll go see if it's tacked up enough, and if we can, we'll spray it. Sorry about that. Probably didn't have the right angle. Sorry about that. Still got a little bit of clear left. Whew. Strong in here. Really strong. Tempted to just throw this clear away because I really don't need it. I mean, it's pretty well done. And there isn't much left. I don't know. I think it's as good as it gets, man. I really don't need to spray anything more. Nah, just gonna get runs and stuff in it. So I think we're done. We're done. Too bad, huh? Kind of a shame to throw away that much clear, but I guess it's not that much. Yeah, let's get out of here. Get out of here and clean the gun. It's a shame to throw away perfectly good clear, but I don't know if you could hear anything I was saying in there. Excuse the hairdo, but it's like respirator hairdo. So I was just saying that it's a shame to throw away a little bit clear. Hold on a second. It's a shame to throw away any clear at all because everything's so expensive nowadays, including paint. But it just really didn't need any more clear. Plain and simple, it didn't need any more clear. So if I would have sprayed any more on it, it would have probably just ran. I don't know if it's in there running right now or not, but it's getting a little chilly in here. Not like cold, but like, you know, it's not 70, you know what I mean? 70 is your optimum temperature, or 65, 70 anyway, 75 sometimes. And decent humidity, you know, dry. But you know, it's like 35, 40, I think it's 40 degrees outside right now. And my garage seal doesn't exactly seal that well, so as soon as I turn off the heat, it starts to get cold fairly fast in here. But so anyway, we're you know what, I'll switch over to the other camera because I don't need to be fisheyed. I think this is just a fisheye lens, so I'll switch over right now. Be back.